me mamuna best wishes for the contest that moko. Now, the important to say, more campaigning. Keep in mind, say after the contest, we will have to unite the party. So, Kasa Mobekam, not insults or denigrating your opponent. No, I will not endorse that. Tell the delegates, why they should vote for you. That is what we should do. Don't go and attack you.
What people make his decision is nobody Kennedy or Agyapong is a very deep thinker. He's somebody not ordinary more party, no.
Yes.
So be a Kodi Kennedy Chibia in Nipabia no ordinary MPP party in the Dutch.
No,
so we be party in the Dutch. You will never follow Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So those people who could Honorable Kennedy or Agyapong, they were thinking about the future of their political party.
Mood.
You get it?
Yeah.
There were people who were thinking about the future of their political party. So Lawyer Kwabram Boateng was a deep thinker. He was a critical thinker. He was somebody who have sat down to analyze, say, yeah, the candidate we acquire, we will have no message for Ghanaians. And maybe swing. Na enkofo na eta wachi. Di nkofo bi atem okroma me nyina di anu betu mu say, call your people to order. Na ka kiro mu say ekwan omo di candidate ni bi efa so okroma no. Enye sa na mayosem ye no. Ye kan ye no. When was the last time Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eto nsade free koka na ni him no. Say jatum didi awudi Kennedy Agyapong. When was the last time Oto nsade free chama Wontumi? Say some a wo ka fa Kennedy Agyapong hu ni jai. When was the last time ofra abronye? Say sebi onipa na mudi na tam ka chense niti ye bie nitiri so ni jai. When was the last time Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fresh and special aid junior botwe?
Yeah.
E ka kire ne say asema wo ka fa is the honorable Kennedy Agyapong so say just you want the pioneer and son wakwa cabinet meeting no jai. When was the last time? We are benefiting from the insult.
Any lawyer attaching.
Yeah. We are benefiting from the insult, the intimidation every year. And that will be too full. When you do that, you do yes, sir. People begin to question your integrity level.
Okay. Right, Table Bibia Kwabe ha telemedia. So and of course, so join and subscribe, no leave a comment under the comment section, like and share the link, and of course, ha and no memu na eti yatina say no and some air cost or memu dear yatina say ya no kore no and to a abonten Ohene Agyei Mike atina sim din the televangelist Samson Owusu, and of course headlines are dear den cheche one tinten fide no so no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebekaya Wontumi chama Wontumi epe national chairmanship position no oko Bawumia efie ene no kodidi nkomo na Bawumia etu chama Wontumi fo ene all the aspirants ne for say no de akoye no party ne ehian kabomu enu nti no mumma mu message no enko delegate na sum chense mo betoto blow said di atem gugum hu fini ade on pesa ade no ebi we be rasa ensem no ensu emu enada ejuso constituency dem wa hye enya asem ketu akra, and of course constituency executives and 9 ACI press conference and somebody and course just constituency atenasi the flats ni nyina update ni nyina ebe mamo enne day Ohene
minia
me akwaba
mejo so sina
na no mam ti say
twede ampodi yankwa che
ye the radiasi pie the radiasi na yankwa na cha what they say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and A2 chama Wontumi ne all the aspirant or more national chairmanship position no F so munya di atem no mu bia nka kasafi nkyire no yonko omo message no enko delegate nche
mina mede wase no bi cha Dr. Bawumia say ohun sa asem we da be na mbre ben na sa adwen we ebra nitim.
Okay.
After so no na wi ni frag barriership na wi no. Na fe na sa adwen we aba nitim.
Yeah.
Me pese me bisa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say mbre ben na sa adwen we eba nitim. After so no I use the same scheme, the same mechanism. E dey wi ni sa ne yes, frag barriership na wi no. Efe no oba betu MPP for say omunjai atemdidi a ye di wini position. Efe.
Aye.
Time I won say we na ma make catch no say papa ni credible.
Okay.
The reason ma make catch no say credible ni say emre bi soin na enkofo a na eta wachi e di nkofo bi atem okroma me ye nyina di anu betu mu say call your people to order. Na kachiro mu say ekwan omudi candidate ni bi efa so okroma no enye sa na mayosem ye no ye kan ye no. When was the last time a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eto nsade free koka na ni him no say jatem didi a wudi Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. When was the last time oto nsade free chama Wontumi say nsem a wo ka fa Kennedy Ohene Agyapong huni jai. When was the last time ofra abronye say sebi onipa na mudi na tam ka chen say niti ye bie nitiri so ni jai. When was the last time Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fresh and special aid junior botwe?
Yeah.
E ka kire ni say asema wo kan fa is the honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong so say just ye won pania and san wa kwa cabinet meeting no jai. When was the last time? We benefiting from the insult.
Any lawyer attaching.
Any lawyer attaching.
Yeah.
We are benefiting from the insult, the intimidation every year, and then the Obabi tufo. When you do that, you do yes, sir. People begin to question your integrity level.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
People will question your credibility because something that you've benefited from. When did you realize that I didn't have the papa? This is very sad. Honestly speaking, it's sad. When it comes to the issue of say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or Dane Dodo. That is what personally.
Oh, okay.
Because he's somebody at home. He take advantage of circumstances. What I say?
Yeah.
The piano person will take advantage of circumstances. So I say we okay. Opinion no kama Ghana for who say no to no for. Omu yi camera ni from so abaka je kokko ye waduma.
Cameras no.
Oh,
the message was for the cameras.
The message was for the camera.
Wow.
But the action message na gaza there. You can't behind cameras. Because other than that, some who person go for GD say asema who can you no cry. When the people who were following you were raining all manner of insults, when did you even pick up a mic to say, Mr. Mechitafo? Say the minimum say maybe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia metie. Na me din hu hia me. Munja temdidi amudidi other aspirants no. Me pa to wuti bi wa.
Debi bi ama.
Until why has he benefited from that action? Nende Obama Kachire say go and say your message during the time on a message or say yeah to Obama. They only take advantage, they took advantage of circumstances. Insult. All manner of intimidation. You know the what I say?
Yeah.
It was something that they planned for him. Ne katel bia omo plan ye.
You know.
What I say?
You can.
Say and you can.
You know.
In a year, no. So please, with all due respect, we know you very well. Say you are not preaching. You are not innocent on certain circumstances. Sadly, way won't mean by pretty equity. One brother, you don't have a clean hands. What did I say?
Yeah.
He who preaches equity must come with a clean hands, and you don't have a clean hands. So why then are you preaching equity?
I don't know. Kennedy.
This is more reason why. This is more reason why. Whenever Kennedy is telling us, this is a man who cannot be trusted. Then that is the honest truth. You can't trust Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. If you trust Dr. Bawumia, you trust him at your own risk. The very day Mika say, whoever can eat Well, between Dr. Mamu, bet my trust in Edina, you can die with devil.
Yes.
Yeah,
no crepa.
But assuming without admitting, if what you are saying is anything to go by, why is he preaching today? What I say?
Yeah.
Because me see during that elections, and in for need the atemono. And not me bold enough to say one word. Say you people should stop this action immediately. And can all can say and can make us oh, he's a man who is fan of doing that. Says an for a dear tema. Utimi a jina board catch from Mr. Munjai.
Eh, Ohene asabna Dr. Bawumia kano me yemashimi o. Enti what me be kasa asem we akire Ghana.
And this is serious. One say whenever we speak about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and to say your tiny and as a penny and penny.
We are far from that
actions. And your many who that is what big catcher, Papa big catcher say no. One of the wicked people are. You can have them in this country. Let me tell man be also be very careful dealing with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because he's a poisonous human being. An action you've benefited from.
And they all condemn.
Why is an open camera? Who catch rain? Say, oh, Monkwara message. What message did you show to us? What message did you show to your delegate?
Or quality of a leader.
Quality of a leader.
Yes. Sana Microphone ni binsoka.
Inti time ana nkrofo kwakoto aba ama no na oni sa qualities no. Ye to aba no wie no benefited from that insult no. Efe no hu so efe no hu so qualities obetimi the leader political party.
Na afutu no kra ezi nipa na o direct afutu no command no kra no eye questionable. So we teach am Wontumi for say
it is
the attempt.
Na so mo ye adwuma no ma o.
Ai.
Enye wem na ye adwuma no peche de ma o.
Dokrepa.
Enye wem na de attemdidie e de ma wi ni ye.
Yeah.
Nti ono na wutu no fo no. Na futu na ye hia futu no this time. No, the MPP and Ghana for hia say futu at this time. Time na ye hia say futu no wantu. This is where and na may hu say wonye nipa betima jiwedi. Me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not a person Ghana for betima trust no. You can never trust that man. He say wo de wo so wo time no nyame obekume wo be I don't care. But sit down, analyze what he have said today.
Yeah.
Now say if he's somebody you can trust her.
Nana Ohene see both videos di be pa ni videos di be kire ba yembe hyew. Omo kika bom. Na wuti atachia abranye koka ene ne nkrofo ne nsamba omo kan ya. You na me tell me yemashimi o. That
is very sad. No, you can never trust him. If you're able to trust him, you trust him at your own risk. What I say?
Yeah.
Me say no to nkrofo. Say wankasa nka yo. If you fail to even advise her, anka ye. So when me to biafo anka ye. That would have been good thing for him. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia may say something you have benefited from. You were hypocrite in the highest degree. We are not saying say afutuo na wode man nipa ne ye.
Afutuo ne de ye.
Afutuo na wode man no bia nim say nipa bi odwene bia nim say that is the right thing to do.
Yes.
But why now?
Multi-million question no.
The question is why now? I didn't know who try ma benefited from. Who benefited from Sadia no? I said no be catch. Why now? Because you've benefited from this insult.
Yeah.
Who benefited from Adia and Krofo ye omudin Krofo din eto atechem editu ofim editu prekodem men Krofo tietia so. Meaning say at some point in time, Kennedy Ohene Agyapong share them swing. Looking at how anu abua party no, anytime anu we chita for a coin or mutri na basa.
Now Ohene unim a close opinion be obeying honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Recently wabekasa. Na ose unim say ateni dia da koso nyana Kennedy fa na adwunu ko hu. Na wobetina afie na ye de videos ni audios ni bi kire no. Nipa na okasa ne say ne wure hoy obutoy promise na say want he
auntie because na ni abre ye ni campaign But me sure say somebody say the audios no gu nanim. Ni ye botchere na no amount of apology na be man Agyei atum. So everything na Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ate. Because I nko for mo kwa no say akwapa no kwa for we di no kwa ma adwuma kakra akoye me mo no achia wo.
Yeah.
Because if it's not true, fancy comedy vacancy hunu DJ is excellent don't man mama. Yet no one kon fie.
Yes.
Why Ismail? MC Ismail.
Yeah.
I go can say hunu say excellent don't man mama. On overhead is one fan go no krom gogosi. One kon fie.
Yeah.
One kon fie.
Okay.
So please, me say this is where say we Ghana ni. Now, if you think say you can believe in Dr. Mahmood Bawumia, today I know very well say a portion of MPP, Ababe who said Debbie. The Nkofo can say Papa no is somebody you cannot trust in no credit. But who dey be just case no so who betin say be see e kwa ya hye Nkofo bi bo. Say what would Dr. Mahmood Bawumia chi be make sure say who be win constituency election.
Yeah, he be now. Yes.
So when this person is telling you, say, me catch you say, you see, I tell you, these are some of the reasons why I'm able to win a chairmanship. Oh, me see that thing have been schemed for him. When you tumuta chairman want to win a baby national chairman. What I say?
Yeah.
Because you know, almost scheming at the end of the amano. Said almost scheming more no Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. It was the same thing. They benefited from that insult. They benefited from that derogatory words. No musu on Nkofo. That defamation, you know, they almost benefited more. That derogatory remarks are not making about others. You know, Dr. Mahmood Bawumia benefited from those actions.
And now Dr. Bawumia and say the oil. Na chidi for ye no nim say e disunity be ba na.
So is it time on here unity?
So
you see this is the smartest way to do things. But let me tell him one thing. They will catch him in the hook because you know when you think say you are too smart, say you use certain techniques. What I say?
Yeah.
To say would be really be now if you are about the catch them say yen kamboma, they will never do that. Because me say I deal with a course no Dr. Kennedy Ohene Agyapong also lay down his measures. No Obama Nkofo investigate him for na share say no man echi I did na say no man nyina see and I think say you have gathered all the information knowing very well say you are behind every single thing that happens.
Okay.
Because Koka was very close to you or my head access on special aid.
Yeah.
And this was a man every blessed day. No was so come deep up and
no so also preach unity.
That foolish man.
Also preach unity. Say omo peeved. Omo is omo ko the base no. Enya omo na omo heal.
You see? Anything I make actually say. And Nkofo a DMPP echinde no. And do na metie papa bia na obobo din akese bia me yemo hye me. Obo papa usu ankoma mu din no obo sa din no we bi say sa Nkofo no ugiri se omo MPP no na din bi ti say koka ne chairman chairman Wontumi betima be chairman ana no ma be special aid to Nkofo bi ana no obo papa usu ankoma no abo edin bebre hakmo usu agima mo no abo senior kwe my kwe senior my kwe at their era. No, we just say Nkofo we beat my bednia on be frontliners am MPP. But today the frontliners are Wontumi, Koka, Abronye, those two people, they are the frontliners. What I say?
Yeah.
And Nkofo, you know why? I'm of no position to use the word stupid. But the man now ma put through na use those words in the moment.
Say do Messi o ma
think Nkofo at them. What I say?
It's the sitting president.
So we respect one. If you want people, you say respect is a reciprocal.
Yes.
If you want people to respect you, you respect yourself.
You
cannot even sit down. No fuck camera ni see when him say a whole president. No what we nipa bi ani ti asa abo aponche awuo. No the president esi wo. You din at them. And you off camera. Na me tua when say no.
Say life.
Even Dr. Mahmood Bawumia, if you want to preach that, ankata ma nkrofo ni di his excellency John Dramani Mahama atem na ankacha ma Wontumi ti Kumase no so camera omampanyinu Mahama ne bada omampanyinu Mahama na say ayrohosem yesi omampanyinu Mahama yere ene sofo bi omo se sofo kobi osahwan akwakoda all this idea we nyina wo chita afo aye
ohene the sitting president his excellency John Dramani Mahama I said what taking no be lenient too much because in sorting a corner no unim sanka eye unkrofo ya kanye papa okrom ha because some no hye o
enti wo hwe sansem no na Wontumi get a whole platform no waka kire say his excellency John Dramani Mahama akwa aduro so okwa ye so metwa Lawrence Tekrama ene ne mwawere no mfa mra
tina radio
such an allegation. Then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a flag bearer and a vice president could not call these people to order. So dear na mo ye no enye. There people were going out telling Ghana for say sabot on the wall you see a ginger and so na on. They were going up and down to catch them say on no appetesia. There's a gentleman called man Broka say his excellency John Dramani Mahama no nsa no oboa no kaka na adwene no odidebe Mustafa Dembo
sir
yes no omo bisa nta interview no so omo nja no nsa ma so oboa no kaka de ope he was able to say this to a former president. You were quiet today who preaches say we party in penfo omo party mumma momo fight them did no mo for mo message nko me pese me bisa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on kire me one message no oye campaign oye magana fo nyina ye nkonko tie bi sa message no
okay
you see these are people this is more reason why me say so wo pese wo GMPP party ni dia wo betuma je party ni dia at your own risk because you see whatever they are doing today and yet for the sake of the party and yet for the sake of the country for the sake of themselves.
Okay.
Because anytime they come in to enrich themselves. So what they want to do is the power now munyano and yes it be on mine and nam which they be and that's on mine or baby or more person may you on mine film. That is not true.
Okay.
They are power drunk. They want to all means they have to lie their way to make sure that they get to power. But you see, time is the best judge.
Time
is the best judge on it.
Okay.
As I see we soon emre no tembua focus pa. Whatever you do today, time will judge you.
Okay.
So how he benefited from the insult, time is about to judge him. People will tell him to his face, say my friend just has some na walk because you benefited from the insult, you benefited from the intimidation, you benefited from the derogatory remarks. How you make it about others.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
And people will tell him. If you join the MPP, they will tell him. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, with all due respect.
Yeah.
You know very well say there are some now who preaching and you know correct. Yet you must be in say whatever you are saying that is not true. And yet they are practicing their work. What I say?
Yeah.
Me say nipo timi yen ho say me ye kremoni pa obetuma hwe wanim atwa antropa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Agro.
What I say obetuma hwe wanim say atwa wontro mo agye di. But I'm surprised. Say, you know, it is the reason why the Muslim community voted against him because omo yenkofo omo mpentro.
Yeah, no crepa.
They hate hypocrisy.
Yeah.
Very hypocritical. What do you say?
Yeah.
He's somebody you can never trust. Me say sasemu yo ken so kan 2024 munja saade na moye no o kan 2025 munja saade no o kan besi nanka no o ken Ghana for nyina beka say you say these are your qualities. Say the enemy say the qualities no ba kono to obetwa wontro no. Anka o kan sansem na anka Ghana for beka say oh these are his qualities. He's a man who normally preaches about peace.
Okay.
But when he start to do so, after he has benefited from those actions,
Dr. Sabrebi,
Oh yes, at the end this is very bad.
Yeah,
it's so terrible at this time. I think say he want peace, but he has benefited from those things. Yeah. And we know him say, some no kind in camera no. It's different from what you will tell Obekachire Wontumi off cameras.
Yeah.
What does it? You know says no. In cameras is different, off cameras is also a different.
No crap. No crap. You mura just see just why Enra ani enyan ntie say constituency executives no omeye 15 but emun enkono 9 ene kwaye yes our press conference no na entity omonete ne say NPP chairman ya owo Ejisu epese o manipulate eye delegate album na wo se hweso de to aba no peso obia nipa bia ebewram no to no bi de ho ena di basabasa ne revelations bia na wo kan wasem no e bai no yenwu adwoso
Minia, you see, I sound like a prophet, but I'm not a prophet.
Yeah.
Me kachira will say, Adie bia ekoso no mo scheme sa adi we maka no several videos. The scheme adi no de tia lawyer kwa brambo aten. E ya de o ma plot. Say kwan bia so they will ask the man. Ombe tu na firi ho. They will ombe tu na se. Ombe abrutu no from the position, you know. Yesterday I had a conversation with somebody who catch them say lawyer Boatin abano abeka kire me say onumpo de onyanka election kura no onyanko biom kura
baby say keka kodo
yes nipa no say o ka kire me say onya anka elections no onyanko be see for lawyer Kwabra Boatin to come out to cry to write on his Facebook page say sisi ade mo mabu amena akekere mensa no meaning say everything no my almost scheme against the man. And bro, what's here? One of the press conferences, of course.
Yeah.
The Tifrim say, yes, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia promising Crawford say, Mama di mechai campaign may promise him delegate
constituency positions.
Yes. Yes, constituency positions.
Yeah.
Chairman, secretary, organizer. Treasure, deputy treasure, youth organizer, those things. Into we share no man e koso nyina na. Yes, ankrofo no ye promise o mo no ye prepare sa delegate list no. E di amom.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
The delegate list is there in such a way say nipa na e beto aba de to MP na firi wo. Anything I said it here. Yesterday it has been confirmed.
Yes.
Say every single moved was just to uproot the current MP.
Oh, you know, pampa, what can I say? And Crawford say a person or me chance or candidate in Aba. Oh, yes. I feel
okay. Then me catch will say,
yeah.
The reason Omu betu onabu kwa blambo ati everyone in ane say, Omu to say Omu candidate Aba. My candidate several times say, share, ye candidate Aba ni yama momontraso. Because say ye monsu candidate neba ya, anka mo beka den. And in this say you enko for abadi a woboa we dey amoni mo nko for nyam lose some positions into Ejisu whoever campaign against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e be lose no position. But when you come out to preach equity, when you come out to preach peace, not these are the promise you made to your people. Are you doing the party good?
Enti Dr. Bawumia oni me yakoso just no.
Gentlemen, me say politicians in Penifo no politics panieto from Ombeka Chiros or Mote. In politics, panieto kwa moha Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bete.
Okay.
Because for serious people, they call him in and out. Whatever happens, Omoman Yahweh.
It is Dr. Bawumia Yahweh.
Fully aware of whatever that is happening.
Just so
fully aware, say Omo person mutu sticker. Fully aware, so Omo person mutu lawyer Kwabra Boatin. Fully aware, so Omo person mutu the various MPs are. Kokodi Dr. Kennedy Ohene Agyapong ne Brechampo machino. Omo Yahweh, so person mutu omo nyina.
And I know the Ohene Wontumi mabo.
You see, this is the man I've told you, sir. Modie, mo pa mon trust no. I don't care. Whoever think you want to trust Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, go ahead and trust him. But for we, We have been able to sit down to analyze some of the things that you have said in India. We know very well say you cannot be trusted.
Because in some ye kagu so you say won crofo o masa aka say o promise wo.
We have analyzed his message and we know say he's a man that cannot be trusted. So if you ubetuma babontia be did the attempt, that is your own cup of tea, that is fine.
Yeah.
Fair enough, I don't care. But if you have sense and you can think, go and sit down and analyze some of the things that you have said previously. Analyze it today and see say if he's a man you can trust him. He's not a man of his ways. You can never trust him. Because why then do you have to move from Ufie say be kwa Kennedy fie say you want me person enom asundwe bua no.
Yeah.
Na wo ba ya na ne nkofo edi na chi no na wo ta kire say yenyi sa nkofo nyira afi wo. What kind of asundwe no? What kind of peace are you looking for? What kind of reconcile is that? What I say?
Yeah.
So I've told you, Andrea, they made it as known. Says Asima Mekano, Nama can several times on this platform. But Andrea, through their press conference, Omo Magana for you know, is the Ampa. Asimo Hina Jenya Quenya Okano. No correct.
Yes.
So whoever wants to insult me, that is one cup of tea. But if let the world know, say it is true, say they were promised, say. Muhammad Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chino obi bia one support here Ejisu constituency ano ye be tu na firi ho so ye constituency executive ye be yin firi ho. They have said it and through the press conference you also get to know it.
Na Ohene unim say chairman no Ejisu no enra executive ni bi nkomo omudidi ye omo nsem omo kan no ene say wotan eye lawyer Kwabena Boate proud to omo premise no ye.
You see,
nobody MP no kra no. No time that so. Oh yeah. Into one thing adwene da our constituency.
Let me give you a secret. And that's here person analysis idea now. We be review secret man ebubefu.
Yeah. And on befu be kabeka no kore.
You see, when lawyer Amponu Kuma was alive,
yeah.
The late MP when yan baby ko. Na only constituency chairman ye one. But now lawyer Amponu Kuma any lawyer Kwabena Boate, then no lawyer vice chairman.
Yes.
No need
first vice.
No need in Temungo. Now listen to where the story is coming from.
Okay.
So now lawyer Ampunia, the late Ampunia Kuma, no ni chairman your current chairman your tisui, no mu free power mu bako. But no ni first vice in Temu and then engo. Until right after so only free muno. Now they were looking at Sanka chairman way ebe pick form na kwa contest. Ena we lawyer Kwabena Boate e pick form nintem. Intem mane ko ye say chairman and the vice nyina e pick forms. So if that is the case here, una we chairman so you have to sit aside and make sure say vice no be pick. That is where a lot of people came to contest lawyer Kwabena Boate.
Okay.
They were the people who brought Helena and co. So make contest lawyer Kwabena Boate at them. And then the delegate the lawyer Kwabena Boate is them or your favorite and they voted for him because you were told say even Sika no mutu no tu aketwa pa.
Yes. Dollars in PP mu anya sam ketwa kra.
Onu ne tu aketwa pa.
Yeah.
But onu tu aketwa yet can a delegate na to aba ne ye den. Edman. So that otaina from the late Amponu Kuma so na eda one
chairman no.
There be a don first vice lawyer Kwabena Boate in Temuno. And no, and then the ababe see only chairman as well. Because of say na chairman ni pa ni late Amponu Kuma.
Yeah.
And the mo we be nya so time no e dey ma say MP we no.
Hey. No, we dey say kenye case bia na also pick form na also ko premier.
Yes.
And I don't know up
you are so also pick. Then people begin to say W. A bedding a chairman pick it, not the first vice chairman so pick it. So if that's the case, yeah, a set chairman because one party nature was that. I was just constituency and the next one no form. But Nimuno inside him, he wasn't happy with the decision. Lawyer Kwabena Boate take it at them. Because now you thought at that point in time, say lawyer Kwabena Boate mo ba be chairman. Na nko no mo na ba be pick form. Na nko ba be the aspiring candidate.
Yeah.
Edma party no.
Oh, okay.
Because already no cry no. We were not in good terms with you. What I say?
Yeah.
So they were not in good terms before lawyer John Kuma died. They were not in good terms with lawyer Ampunia Kuma. What I say?
Yeah.
And no na ya me did you mutri man babes in there and no you see. So they were using certain individuals to say the PM no and nkophobia na oho e de omu atwamu hia say no ekwan bia so no ya kase ya mane nto aso no because on one of the sister stations your sister station bia ya kasa obi ka say me say sam wo MP ni de obetwa 1 tempe
nyina so ne say nyina so ne say
because no maskimi ade na to say wini na wa wini ne kura no nya de ombepene ema na to aso as an MP. What is it? Most especially Sunday no kokko Kennedy no kura de. That is what say na asem kura.
And the no so ohihia akira.
What the reasons why Emma we sit no kokko Kennedy na. No say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia head of economic management efeli Ghana for into doing their campaign say eba ne say ebe ko campaign assemble pa na 2028 election. Based on how economy equal, and there are some no betimi ababeka.
Only message.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
And there are some and no betimi aban wa beden wa babeka. Because anything, whatever he said previously was economy.
Oh no, they
so
were.
And now defeat 2016 they buy. So whatever everybody knows about him is he's an economist.
Yeah.
Though he failed as an economist. But what people know him of, and they say we have been told say oh you're economist. Intinan lawyer ko blambo atiano. Think it deep say. This is a gentleman. I get na kwa ofeli in as head of economist. Head of economic management.
Yeah.
Ofeli as a head of economic management, he has failed honorably. It is here didn't kwa Ghana falling tono. Because Ebanesa won't mean anything concerning our economy.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't say the foundation of Ghanaian electoral vote, the economy.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yes.
You know, you consider your economy more at the two abesi bidia. That is what people don't say make creating juma. Me say economy na. Nan kofuni na do marginal kwa to abama no.
Yeah.
And this is a man who led that economic management and failed Ghanaians. So you see, it was a very wise decision on the part of lawyer Kwabena Boateng.
Yes.
To say, no, if say that is how it is there, say Ghana for the economy in the two abadia. And the other thing go for nipa, on the contest be the na hwi ni ne ho. Ni nya subo bia mfa mbo no. Ni nya enkodu onu mo achi mfa ne mba. And I think at that time he was right. What I say?
Yes.
So afterwards, Anka Ejisu, because I agree with him, you and I know say whatever he was saying is true.
Yes.
And this is how MPP in 2028 they can never come to power.
So no more yawe dada. Kura omuni.
What I say?
Yes.
Because this is a man. So when he give you the campaign platform, only think anything about economy. You can never say anything about economy. He can never say anything about job. He can never say anything about inflation. He can never say anything about debt to our GDP. He can never say anything concerning about city depreciation. He can never say anything about this. These are economic fundamentals, macroeconomic fundamentals. And these are the fundamentals. Only means that platform be some fan and So what will be his campaign message? Okay?
Yeah.
Because when you are planning a campaign message, you can never speak of an economy there. So what kind of message now they bring Ghana for?
Yeah.
That is why they have formed about 30 committees. Say, no be preparing their message in Fambra. All of them prepare message. They can never speak about the economy. Even someone the candidate can never speak about Ghana economy.
Yeah.
So I agree with Obi Bialo making his decision. He said, nobody Kennedy or Agyapong is a very deep thinker. He's somebody not all more party no.
Yes.
So be okodi Kennedy achibia ye nipa bia na odwene MPP party ni daache. No, so we odwene party ni daache you will never follow Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So those people me could Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong echi no. They were thinking about the future of their political party.
Mood.
You get it?
Yeah.
There were people who were thinking about the future of their political party. So Lawyer Kwabena Boateng was a deep thinker. He was a critical thinker. He was somebody who have sat down to analyze, say, yeah, the candidate we will have no message for Ghanaians. Because what Ghanaians want is message about economy. Beminia, what do we benefit in this country? What do you benefit from our politicians? Only thing I benefit in say, and the iron rod walk on 9,600, at about 7,000 or 6,800. Only the minimum you benefit.
Yeah. No,
what you say?
Come now.
Say cement equal 1.2. About 78 Ghana series. This is the only thing I minimum benefit from. Say me and every form. Yes. That is the only thing you benefit from because nobody is paying us.
No correct.
We don't benefit from anything. So here they are benefiting and say economy ni bejina. So every single Ghanaian, the original one is obenya adwuma. You took at our the inflation rate from 15% to 54.5%. We fly them 23.8. Unemployment rate was 8.4. We fly them 14.7. What did I say? Lawyer Kwabena Boateng was a deep thinker. He was a critical thinker. The worst decision MPP will ever take in the Ejisu constituency, and it's on lawyer Kwabena Boateng. It will be their worst decision ever because he's a man who have the brains, who thinks outside the box, who was thinking about the future of the MPP as a political party. He was the man who had the idea say, 2028, I see the MPP back power again, and yet these people did not support him. And bet me, 2028, MPP will still remain in opposition. Even if NDC decide to bring me on Agyei as a flag bearer, I will definitely win Kennedy. I will win Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What I say? So these are issues. These are issues that he was looking at. When he say, "My catcher was say, onye nipa or trolley, I know make a decision." And no man be brain or tone was a dad.
You say injunction that's so just the abandoned troy.
He was somebody. He was a deep thinker. Me say it will be their worst nightmare to say you be doctor a lawyer Kwabena Boateng.
Yeah.
About their worst nightmare. Because if they want deep thinkers in present MPP in parliament, Obi Okasa utim say carry west. A lawyer Kwabena Boateng.
No correct.
Whenever you get up in parliament, Okasa utim say Penyina Kasa.
I'm saying up a party office were missing some pa. You Kasa cry them among MPP Kasama for more.
No, I met him on radio. Okasa me yes and Baba criticizing and no. This is some say na me kasa me no chire mo wan we na yempom. So you just allow me to flow. I say okay, go ahead, honorable.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
You see, a ko obafa so kura kasa akire
say
oh, we a communicator odo me MP. Meaning say this bank te ba me no me enu ntema. Ebedu ba bi na me ye panyini. Nso na we hear the manima ba eden.
Yes.
From.
Yes,
so Okasa asem na I agree with him. I kept very quiet on the same platform with him.
Okay.
What call? Say me Jan say on flow. What I say? Where I even disagree with him on the day I did not talk. When I get another opportunity, I say, oh, whatever he said last week was a lie.
Okay.
Because on him make a side. But you see, this is a situation now. A deep thinker like him. Mu pese mutu na sina mu kofa falafala.
Falafala. Jeffy.
No. If you want to go and bring falafala, you see, today MPP have a lot of falafala amongst them. Makachro, a lot of falafala within their party. In terms of Zian Makase, the ultimate Binibiana, I do no dock as Yabiano, and so much Biaso, a uniform, a falafala for one. Then a few people ever controls have falafala. The party want to be controlled by few individuals or my No more control falafala for any brain. And it's a winning answer. They have to find ways of taking you out. So I think Maka said, to national at their own risk. Later they will regret their decision. Once they try doing that, a day is coming. Said the worst ever decision. Let the two
Okay.
Said the Ejisu constituency the worst ever decision on taking.
Yeah.
Any do mugusu taking on.
Yes.
Na koba na babo mo a. Yes, you better na chini aka ho asem.
And of course, about one day, so you are suspended. No, they say just about to injunction. That's Agyei. Edia na moje. Right, tell me for the Jumedi de Bessica, better master some J. Brescia Jumedi. What's a Ohene J. Michael can be didn't tell you Evangelist Samson. O Sudasane, Yabessa Shebu, Yakram.